If your team is working on processes that refer to external tools or platforms or documents that are online, you can actually choose to link directly to those systems and tools to make them more handy to access. For example, let's say you own your company's sales process and you want to make it very easy for someone else on the team who's maybe not so familiar with that process to easily access your company's pipeline in your CRM. You can actually link directly to that from AirManual, as you can see. So this is the link that we want to make, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so as we're already in sales, we've identified the folder that the link is going to live in. And let's say we want to now link to a different pipeline. So maybe instead of the medical pipeline, which focuses maybe on your medical vertical in your business, you want to focus on your finance customers, for example. Okay, so what we do need to do is open the pipeline and imagine that the pipeline is on HubSpot and you've actually opened the URL to that pipeline. So we would select the link to the pipeline, right? So you've logged into HubSpot, you've selected the pipeline, and you'll come back to your sales folder. And right here, you'd select the arrow, the drop-down arrow, and then create link. You type in the title of the page, so maybe customer pipeline finance. And then you would paste in the link. Of course, it's going to be the link directly to the finance pipeline. And when you select create, there you go. It shows up in the actual folder, the sales folder. Okay, so the next time someone asks you for the link to that customer pipeline, especially if they may be new to the role, you can always just say that it's actually in the sales folder in AirManual. I hope this helps. And that's just another quick way to make sure your processes and your content in your workspaces are even more helpful to whoever will be using them. And if you'd like some more tips and tricks and best practices when it comes to documenting your processes, you can always select the orange question mark and select our help center with lots of content. We also have free templates, just in case you didn't know that. And if you ever get stuck, don't worry, you can always reach out to us at support@airmanual.co on email. Or if you select the chat icon at the bottom right, you'll be able to actually have a conversation with a member of the team in real time. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.